And now everybody's favorite. Let's see. BTC, USD. Let's look at Bitcoin. Damn, I missed my entry. That sucks. Whatever. We'll see if I can do another one. I'll just keep like a buy limit there. Watch me get filled as I'm sleeping. Anyway, we're entering back into this box over here. I think Bitcoin's at a great level. It's holding its 20 grand. Although we had little drops here of under 19k. I'm not too worried about it. They got bought right back up, dropped, got bought right up, like it was nothing. So clearly people see, or Bitcoin investors, we all understand that Bitcoin is not dropping. It's not going anywhere, and we do not want it to fall underneath 20k. Seems like everybody already understands and knows that Bitcoin under 20,000 is a blessing, and they're just buying all the dips. So we'll see what happens, but I'm currently happy with the trajectory of Bitcoin. I see all this red. I'm not blind. This is bound to happen. And I'm also buying a ton of Bitcoin. Let's see. Weekly chart. What are we doing here? This is ugly. Move that. Remove that. Alright, great. Looks like a top. Top right there. Bottom there. I like that. I like that very much in the weekly. Honestly, I would bet that it's gonna start moving up now. But we'll see what happens. It's kind of a pennant being made, but we still need to see up like a proper breakout. And pennants and flags always happen when it's we're moving up. It's not a bear flag, but with proper volume, it could be an indication of a reversal. Looks like the MACD is in agreement with that theory. Volume is not exactly where we want it to be for a reversal on the green side, but it's not terrible. So we're currently in a position where we are deciding to see where Bitcoin goes, up or down. Up or down, who knows? So if you're like me and you miss your entry, next place to do an entry on Bitcoin, I would say is 21.5. Why 21.5 now? You have this right here, 21.5. We have some candles in this area. We have some tops over here. We hit this top here, drop down, hit this top again, drop down, hit the top, surpass a little bit, but drop right back down. So that's a nice rejection area. So as we surpass over that with volume, I do expect us to jump higher to 22.4 and beyond that to 23.4 if we continue going upwards. Let's see, 4-hour chart. Nice. So we have this right here. Going upwards, you have a top right here at 2760. So over 20,760, I think we're at clear skies to 21.5. And honorable mention for those of you who want the other altcoins, I am also looking at Avalanche. I strongly believe Avalanche is going to be around. Wow. Kudos to anybody doing Avalanche BTC. Looks like you made some money. AVAX USD. Coinbase, let's see. 19. If you guys are not following my Twitter, TikTok, all my social medias, you wouldn't have known this, but we've all been buying AVAX right in this area, buying the life out of this shit daily. 18 to, so this is the box here. I got no AVAX down here. I don't think so. Most of my AVAX is like 18 to 15 or 15 to 18. I've just been loading the boat, because I do strongly believe we jump right back up to, $100 plus within a year or two. So I don't mind. I don't mind throwing, a few $1,000s into this under 20 bucks. Seems like a blessing, honestly. So just like with the other cryptos, we want to kind of like jump over where we hit June 24th in order to continue going higher. June 24th was the day a lot of them ripped. So for AVAX, to be safe, I do have an entry at 25, 24.36 or 25. That's over this consolidation right here. It's my belief that if we jump over at 25 or over this consolidation, we will continue going higher to 29.30, and we might get like a little push past the 30 mark to 33 before we drop down. I strongly believe that. Could it fail and just completely drop? Yeah, of course it could. Do I think that's gonna happen? No, I do not. So if you want to be a little risky, you can enter in this teal area here, which is between 20 and 25. If you want to be a little safe, I would enter around the 25 mark to get to that like 33 point. Anyway, that's all for today, folks. If you have any questions, message me in the comments below. Otherwise, you can always find me on Twitter, Instagram, and TikTok. Username is StockDaddyO. Take care, guys.